Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing another Boxycharm unboxing. So we are going to be doing the June unboxing. I had to think for a second what month it was because I totally forgot. So we are kicking off summer. I am hoping that this box is going to be good. If you watch my Boxycharm videos, I don't look at any spoilers, so I have no idea what is inside this box. So here is what this month looks like. So if you guys want to find out what I got inside my box, then please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos, and let's get on into it. So if you guys have never heard of Boxycharm before, you get 5 full-size cosmetic and or skincare products for $25, and usually the retail value is anywhere from $150, could possibly be up to $300, but that's usually pretty rare. And I do enjoy a lot of the products that I get inside of my Boxycharm. And if you guys ever want to sign up, I do have an affiliate link down below in my description box. I am so appreciative when you guys use my code, and I do get a small bit of commission when you use my code, and I am so grateful for you guys when you use my links. So thank you so much, because that just means you're supporting me. So let's get on into it. I just reach my hand inside and see what I pull out, and then at the end I'll let you guys know what box number I have. Okay, so let's do this. Item number 1, we have a First Aid Beauty product. First Aid Beauty is typically in a lot of Boxycharm boxes, and I like their products. So this is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. Why do I feel like I've heard this before? I think this is for keratosis pilaris. Am I saying that right? Probably not. It's like a condition where you get bumps on your arm. And it has 10% AHA. It's safe for sensitive skin, and it says to massage onto your problem areas and apply moisturizer afterwards. So it's not for your face, it's just for your body. So if you do have any sort of bumps on your arm or anything like that, I think this will come in really handy. Actually, I think my brother-in-law has something like that, so maybe I'll give this to him, because I don't have that problem of bumps on my arms. Or I'll just put this into a giveaway. Let's go on to item number 2. We have Laura Geller. This is the Multitasking Eye, Lip, and Cheek Palette. So if you guys watch my Budget Beauty Buys videos, you know that Laura Geller stuff has been all over TJ Maxx and Marshalls for the past year or so. I'm assuming that they were liquidating their stock. And why can't I open this? It's called Shades of Nude. So okay, that's pretty. Looks like it's a blush, a bronzer, and then a lip product. So that looks like a cute little travel palette. I'm not too big of a fan of lip palette products, so anything that's a lip product in a compact form, I don't really use. So this is probably just another product I would gift to someone else. Ooh, this is exciting. This is from Touchant Soul, another brand that is typically in Boxycharm. This is the Fill Up Orange eyeshadow palette. So that's what the eyeshadow palette looks like. And then, oh, this is fun. This actually looks a lot like the inside of those MAC palettes that were at TJ Maxx, like the pretty cute, I forget the names of the other ones, but there's this really fun orange glitter in here. I've never seen an orange glitter like that before. And a couple orange shades, mostly brown tones though, so there's really only 2 orange shades in here. It's a little strange. This is called Fill Up Orange, and there's only 2 orange shades, and one's more like a bronze. So I always get confused when brands do that, like, why do you call it the orange palette and there's like 1 orange shade? So that's what it looks like. I like the glitter on the outside. I will definitely give this a try. What is this? Cab? Kim, Ariana, and Brielle lip liner and gloss at Cab Cosmetics. Okay, so I don't watch this show, but I believe these girls are from Real Housewives, because I know the daughter's name, and yeah, I don't think I've ever seen that show with them in it, but the packaging is really cute. So let's see. Oh wow, this is, I think it's a gloss. Yeah, so this is the Charming Gloss. That's pretty. And then this is the Cab Charming Lip Liner. So I'm curious to see how these are. The lip liner actually looks super creamy. Ooh, yeah, it's really creamy. That's the lip liner. And then the gloss, let's see how this is. I love the packaging. It doesn't have a scent, it just smells chemically. Pretty color. See that? It's a little hard to see. Let me do a better swatch. It's kind of like a berry. It's a berry-ish shade. So, oops. Hard to get that back in there. So, I have never tried this brand before. I didn't even know they had a makeup brand. But I'm excited to try that out. I always like testing new brands, and they actually seem like pretty good quality products in here. And this is Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. Whoop, there we have Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. I didn't know she had mascara. I thought she just had eyelashes, but that goes well with her range of products. She has really nice false lashes. Ooh, the brush looks nice. We'll have to test all these out. What I will end up doing most likely is just doing an Instagram video trying out the eyeshadow palette, the lip gloss, and then the mascara. So let's look at what box number I had and the total retail value. So this is the Oasis box, and Touchant Soul eyeshadow palette is $32. The Laura Geller Trio was $24 retail. Lily Lashes mascara is $24. The Cab Lip Duo is $40. And the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Treatment is $18. So the full value of the box came out to $138. So you would have spent $25 for the box. So a pretty decent value. Not the highest, but it is more makeup items, not high-end expensive skincare items, which usually retail for like $80, $90, so that's totally okay. My favorite items are the palette, the Lily Lashes mascara, and the Cab lip liner and lip gloss. So I'm excited to test all of those out. And I'm sure this product is good, like I was saying, but I don't have that issue. And then the Laura Geller palette, I'm just kind of like about. It doesn't seem like anything special to me. Let me also let you guys know. And I got box number 42. So let me know if you guys got the same box number as me or if you got anything else. And if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will link it down below. And that is it. Super quick one today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you enjoyed Boxycharm unboxings. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!